to access all the starred elements or designs in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access all of your starred or all of those elements and designs that you have marked with a star or favorite in your Canva application. So let me show you how you can access them by first adding any particular element or any design as any start element. So if I click onto this elements tab, you can see that many times if I scroll photos, I can come across various or multiple photographs. So for example, let's say I want this particular photograph to start. So what I can do is simply click onto these three dots present at the top right corner of this particular photograph. And then from here, I can choose this option to star it so that I can use it for later reference. And after I have starred this particular photo and I want to access all of these photos that I have starred, what I can do is simply click onto this projects tab right here on the left. So simply click onto this projects tab, and from here you will find this option that says start. So simply click onto this start button, and here you can see all of those elements and designs or templates as well that you have starred in your Canva count. And here is this image that we just start right now. So that's how easily you can access all of those elements, designs or templates that you have started in your Canva account. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed or liked this tutorial, do make sure to drop a like in the video as well. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comment. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting, helpful and video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.